What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Bring you guys another video on my G35. On today's video, we're going to be doing the fuel pump and the fuel level replacement. Today we're going to be changing them. Now the first step of doing that, you're going to want to go to the battery cable, disconnect the battery terminal. Second thing you're going to want to do is remove these back seats. That way you can access the fuel pump and the fuel level sensor. And I'll get back to you guys right now. All right, so after you remove your battery terminal and you took out the back seats, this is all you're gonna be left with right here. Here's gonna be the fuel pump and the fuel level sensor over here. So first thing we're gonna do is change the fuel pump first, and then we'll move to the fuel level sensor after that. To take off this top right here, all you need to do is turn these bolts with a crosshead. And let me do that real quick so I can show you guys. All right, so yeah, all you will need to do, just get something, slightly turn it. And it should just pop off. Popping it off. Just try to move it a little bit to the side. And as you can see, they have not changed this at all. So yeah, let me just change this right here, clean this up down here, and then so we can remove this one wire and these screws right here. So this is what it looked like when you disconnect the wire. All you need to do is just press on right here. Once when you hear like a little click, it should just be easily removable. So yeah, let me just clean it up right here. That way we could actually see the bolts that we're about to take off. And I'll get back to you guys. All right, after you clean it off, it should look something like this. So the next step is to remove this one wire right here. You just gotta be careful because it does carry gasoline. So make sure you got a cloth with you or anything like that so you can catch all the gasoline that spills out. After we do that, then we can get to removing these screws. So let's do that. All right, so just get a rag. We'll try to place it underneath it. Just like that. That's about it. Put it off to the side or something. Let's see, we gotta wrap it up pretty good because there's a little bit of gasoline still coming out. Wrap it up to the side. Then we can get to unscrewing these 6 bolts. All right, let's just do these ones first and then we'll do the other side. All right, so when you take out the 6 screws, it should look something like this. So now you could take out this metal bracket that's holding it down, and there's your fuel pump. Now I do recommend you, if you do see it a little bit more dirty, try to clean it off as much as you can, but just make sure to not drop it inside. After that, you'll be able to just pull up the fuel pump, and then I'll show you right now how it looks. Let me just clean it up off the top. All right, so I cleaned it off a little bit on top. I'm not gonna clean it too much because I am gonna just take it off right now. I'm gonna end up cleaning this piece off later on. But yeah, you should be able to just pull it out. Just slowly pick it up because you're still carrying gas with the pump. Slowly pick it up. Get yourself a little flathead because there is going to be a wire that you're going to have to remove as well. So you pick it up. And as you can see, there's that one little black wire right here. So all you're gonna wanna do is get a little flathead in between this area and this area, remove those two clips, and hold on to that one black wire. All right, so once when you remove it, you could just easily pick up the fuel pump. I'm gonna move you guys real quick because I'm gonna put the fuel pump right there where the rag's at. There. All right, perfect. Then you got this one wire. Just pull it out. Got the new fuel pump. And just plug and play again. Just enter it the same way. Alright, this one should be able to connect to right here. Oh, hold on, so you guys can see a little bit more. So that one wire should connect right here again, exactly like that. So now you just put the fuel pump back and you just plug and play back to everything. Oh, and make sure you put that one clip that goes onto here from your old one onto this new one so this hose could clamp onto it. Other than that, it won't clamp onto nothing. So make sure to transfer the old clip from the old one to the new one. And yeah, just plug and play backwards and you should be good to go. So let me plug and play everything. All right, so that's how you change your fuel pump on a G35 coupe. Now I'm gonna change into the fuel level sensor and change that one as well. That way I can have both of them done. And then we'll see what's up. Get back to you guys right now. All right, so same thing as the fuel pump. You're just gonna wanna turn these little screws. Turn them on. Like I'm telling you, I don't know what to expect. First time me changing them since the previous owner had it. And exactly like the other side. So I'm gonna clean this up and then get back to you guys right now. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is push this little clip right here and the wire is gonna wanna come out. Let me see if I can put you guys down so you guys can see real quick. Actually, there you go. Let me see, I'm gonna put you guys down real quick and I'm gonna pull the wire out. All right, so I cleaned it up as much as I can. So same process as the fuel pump. Remove all 6 screws. Remove that black top right here. Clean up a little bit. I know there's gonna be a little bit more dust. Clean up the little bit of access that left right there. Pull it out. Put in the new one. Put that wire back in. It should be easier than the fuel pump. This is literally the fuel level sensor right here. This is all it is that we're gonna be doing. Just plug it in and play. All right, let me remove the 6 screws and then get back to you guys. All right, so remove the 6 screws. Pick up the metal top, put it aside so we can clean it up later on. Get a rag or something. I already used this one to clean up earlier. Get it all in one swipe. Get as much as you can. should be good enough. Pick it up. Make sure you drain it out good. Hold it up for a couple minutes. Make sure you have a rag on standby, that way you can just put the part on top of it. Put the rag right there. Just gonna carefully put that one right there. Oops. All right. Same way this one, the other one went in. Put this one in. All right, now that I put in the new one, all I gotta do is just put this bracket back. Make sure it's locked in place like that. Put in the screws back, put in that wire, and we're all good to go. And that's how you change your fuel level sensor on your G35 and your fuel pump at the same time. All right, let me just put in the screws and I'll get back to you guys. All right, put the 6 screws in, put that one wire again, connected it back to the same spot it was connected to the old one. Time to put the top back on there. Get a screwdriver. Close these up. All right, y'all good to go. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video on the G35. Still got more to fix.